What's up, weirdos? What's going on, guys? All right, another day, another tariff, apparently. All right, we're going to get into it, guys. We're going to have a look across the market, get into the latest and greatest. We got Jasmy news, we got Zebec news, we got the fries that'll cross your eyes. All right, let's get into it here. Jasmy down 6.9% on the day, 4% on the week, 23 on the month, and 52.7 on the year. Down 3 spots in rank to 97, and a 497. Sorry, I'm stuffy. $497 million market cap, 121 million in volume. Swiftcoin down 5.3% on the day, 9 on the week, 30 on the month, but up 29% on the year. Down 11 spots in rank to 315 with an $82 million market cap, 1.69 million in volume. Onyx Coin down 3.5% on the day, 5.3 on the week, 30 on the month, but up 234% on the year. Down 2 spots in rank to 150, a $286 million market cap, and 21 million in volume. And Zebec down 8.1% on the day, 14.5 on the week, 41 on the month, and 67 on the year. Down 14 spots in rank to 387, a $63 million market cap, 13 million in volume. Let's go have a look at that Bitcoin chart, shall we? There it is. All right, so Bitcoin, a little bit of a green candle going on here today, hanging out at 76,900. We came down and just touched this support here once again at the top, the 74.5 range. Bounced back up pretty violently, same as we did the other day. Are we going to continue this pattern? Interesting. Big red candle, a little bit of a green one. Big red candle, a little bit of a green one. Are we due to continue this pattern, guys? Are we going to come down between 69 and 72, or will we stay in this range here? Either way, I believe we're going to range, guys. Probably somewhere from around where we are now. We could come down here a couple of times, but I think that we're just going to be stuck in this range for the foreseeable future until this tariff situation resolves itself. It's just going to be sideways action. Sorry, I'm really stuffy. I don't know why. So be ready for that, guys, as we enter another accumulation phase, right? Now, there's lots of people out there who say, oh, it's not a good time to buy. Then don't buy. No one's asking you to buy. I'm not asking you to buy, right? I'm telling you my opinion on where the market is. So if you don't want to buy, don't buy. I'm personally buying, right? So yeah. I can't give you financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. All right, what do we have going on out there? Zebec. What's going on with Zebec? So Zebec Network tweeted out, markets will do what markets do. At Zebec, we stay focused on building products that deliver real value to our users and investors. So you can check out the March report right here. Very good, guys. I love hearing it. They plan on focusing on producing and developing instead the stuffiness, instead of worrying about what the markets are doing, right? Volume is up for March 7%. Cards issued up 63%, and the countries are up to 97 countries. Very nice, guys. You love to see the numbers going up. All right, let's continue on. What else do we have? We have this from Swift, all-chain bridge, guys. Bridgers in the house. You can now route the Algora, GOIA. I guess that's the ticker. Algoa on Solana. Anyway, across chains with non-custodial execution, smart contract routing, and aggregated liquidity. All from your own wallet with Swiftcoin. Try it now, guys. Absolutely. I cannot wait for Swift to be adopted. Their Bridgers technology is like no other. Staking TRX there right now at 8%, by the way. You'll love to see that. All right, what else do we have? We have this from Forta. We're going to get into the news here in a moment. We got this from Forta, another one of our favorite projects, guys. Not all AI-powered tools are created equal. We love Forta.
Forta Firewall's proprietary AI model is built for on-chain security. Forta's custom graph neural network is trained on years of blockchain data, covering hacks and normal transactions. This supervised model delivers high accuracy and ultra-low latency, continuously retraining on new activity for real-time prevention. Forta's AI runs in a private environment, making it nearly impossible for attackers to reverse engineer. That means stronger, more resilient security for Web3. Cybercriminals evolve, but Forta's AI evolves faster, learning from every attack, improving accuracy, and reducing false positives in real time. Forta Firewall means stronger AI-powered protection for rollups. Learn more at forta.org.
Forta AI,
Forta
guys.
Firewall's proprietary.
Absolutely love Forta. All right, continuing on. Real quick, though, shout out to the channel sponsor, Decent Self-Custody Wallet, guys. Not your keys, not your coins. They say, why do you need a hardware wallet with a display? So a screen. Look at that nice screen. You love it. And the app on your phone. Because trust should never be blind. A screen lets you verify exactly what you're signing before it's too late. No assumptions, no hidden surprises. If your wallet can't show you the full picture, it's not protecting you. Exactly. Do not leave your crypto to chance, guys. Get yourself a self-custody wallet today. Use our link down below. Get a phenomenal deal. All right, and what do we have here from Watcher Guru? Check this out. Yesterday, Mr. T hit China with 104% tariffs. China announces today an additional 84% tariff on U.S. goods. Okay, so is this roller coaster going to end? Does anybody else feel like it's getting a little bit absurd? So what is Trump going to do? Hit back with another 100% tariff so that the day after tomorrow, or so that tomorrow China can answer back with another 100% tariff? Are we getting anywhere here? This is stupid, right? This is stupid. I'm sorry, but I feel like I'm watching two children in the sandbox, fight over toys. This is stupid. So anyway, we'll see where it goes, guys. But don't be surprised to see Trump respond with another tariff on top of a tariff on top of a tariff, so that China can add another tariff on top of a tariff on top of a tariff. What are we doing? What are we doing? All right. Anyway, let's get into this piece here. Jasmy. So Jasmy coin leads the top 100 gainers as bullish reversal signals form. You have to bear with me. I'm very, very stuffy. I don't know why. I'm getting sick. Jasmy, the native token of the Japan-based data democratization project, is again in the spotlight despite a generally bearish crypto market in early April. Jasmy has gained attention due to the positive signs suggesting it may be reversing. Data from CoinMarketCap shows that Jasmy's price increased over 3% in just 24 hours, reaching 1 cent 034. This slight gain made it to the top gainers among the 100 largest coins by market value, which is impressive since many cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Solana, Ethereum, XRP, and Dogecoin, were losing value. Analyst Javin Marks pointed out key bullish divergence between Jasmy's price and the MACD, the moving average convergence divergence indicator, as you can see from his tweet. On April 8th, he mentioned that while Jasmy's price has been consistently falling, the rising MACD indicator could signal a trend reversal. This divergence is often one of the first signs that the downward trend is slowing down. When combined with oversold conditions seen in many indicators, sellers are tiring and buyers may be ready to take over. Another vital chart observation comes from Alpha Crypto Signal, who pointed out that Jasmy is moving with a classic falling wedge, a pattern suggesting a potential reversal to bullish momentum. The price has steadily declined within two downward sloping trend lines. As we know, guys, we've been tracking this for months on the channel. So, yes. Consequently, a breakout to the upside is likely if Jasmy's price can hold this support. When confirmed by increased volume and positive momentum indicators, these patterns often precede sharp upward moves. As noted in the tweet, if Jasmy holds support, traders may consider long positions. However, if the support breaks, traders may shift to a short opportunity. Market focuses on key levels in the coming days. Meanwhile, over the past year, the token has been down more than 50%, but it recently showed resilience at the 2095 to 1 cent level, which historically has acted as a support zone. If bulls can maintain this level and break above the falling wedge pattern, analysts anticipate the token may target resistance zones near 1 cent 3 and 1 cent 5 in the short term. A more ambitious breakout target could be 2 cents and beyond. Strong technical resistance is still in play. Despite bullish signals, the future remains uncertain. According to technical analysis summary from TradingView for Jasmy's USDT pair, there is a bearish lean. With 14 out of 26 indicators flashing a sell. The moving average paint a strong sell picture, although some oscillators start turning neutral or slightly bullish. Two important buy signals were found on the momentum MACD oscillator, but they are counterbalanced by multiple moving averages still pointing down. These include the 10-day, 20-day, and 50-day exponential and simple moving averages. This underscores the cautious sentiment among traders, although potential for reversal exists. The trend hasn't officially reversed. So I don't think anything's going to reverse, to be honest, guys. TA right now does not mean too much while this whole tariff thing's going on, right? It just doesn't. All it can do is tell you what would happen if tariffs didn't continue. But that's not the case, right? So anyway, guys, as always, I want to know what you guys think. Are the tariffs going to come to an end here anytime soon so that the markets can flourish once again? With so much market turmoil going on right now, guys, it is the perfect time to get educated on how these markets work and what your moves should be and how to handle these situations. So if you need education, if you need experience, surround yourself with a community of people who've been through multiple bull runs and can help navigate you through this space and get out of it with your life-changing wealth intact for you and your family, right? There's a reason 90 to 95% of people who are new to crypto do not make money. It's because this space is far more complex than people think that it is, right? It's not as simple as buy something, walk away, come back later and sell it. I wish it was that simple. It's just not, right? You have to be educated. So come on over to our community, guys. We are live every single evening. So you can join our live calls and you can learn a lot there. You can get all your questions answered, or if you need something more personalized, you can book one-on-one coaching calls with me personally. They're absolutely for free over on the Patreon. So take advantage of the free tools because we sit down privately. We have a look at your portfolio. We answer all your crypto questions to make sure you're pointed in the right direction and you're ready to go with an exit strategy and a profit-taking plan for this bull run when it finally does kick off. So come on over, guys, join the community. Again, we drop microcap gem videos, we drop educational videos all the time over there. It's a fantastic school. You'll learn so much, not only from me, but from our entire community, guys. One of the largest communities in the crypto space. So check it out for yourselves, guys. The link is down below. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I'll see you guys in the next one. God bless.